Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fit Nissan Juke wiper blades. First, gather your replacement wiper blades and a soft cloth. For most Nissan Juke models, the driver's side blade is 22 inches and the passenger's side is 14 inches. Having the correct sizes ensures a perfect fit and optimal performance. The cloth will protect your windshield during the process, preventing any accidental damage. Let's get started with the removal process. Now, let's remove the old blades. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it stands upright and locks into its service position. Locate the small release tab on the old wiper blade's connector. Press this tab and slide the blade down and off the metal hook of the wiper arm. Once the blade is detached, carefully lower the bare wiper arm back onto the windshield, making sure it rests on your protective towel. This prevents the arm from snapping back and damaging the glass. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upwards onto the hook until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly attached. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm assembly back down onto the windshield. Repeat these steps for the other front wiper blade. To complete the process, turn on your Nissan Juke's ignition and activate the wipers. Observe their movement and ensure they clear the windshield smoothly and effectively without leaving any streaks or missed spots. This confirms proper installation and functionality. If you notice any issues, double-check the connection points. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your clear view and safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.